Careful, but suddenly the dragon reader became arrogant, so Tai forgot its author for power. And the end of the battle, all the reader and the dragon were killed, where a traitor named Galbatorix emerged victorious, and now he is a king and slaughtered all the freedom fighters named the Varden. Those who survived then fled to the mountain in the hope that only the tree would be a miracle that could help them. Time the king, a woman named Arya Wasin, was an ally of the Varden who was being captured by Galbatorix soldiers. Because he had stolen a stone belonging to the king, Galbatorix ordered one of his wizards named Durja to bring the stone immediately. While on the other side, a man named Eragon was seen was sapping a good time with his uncle to go hunting. Their two returned to Arya in the middle of the forest. Durja surrounded Arya with a circle of the fear because his position was cornered. Arya sent the stone swim her. Then suddenly Eragon broke the stone to by accent for face of Maitbu after saying the stone the sailor tool. Eragon to immediately return the stone to thank her or else their village will be in danger. Eragon lived with his uncle's cousin named Roran, where they were farmer who lived quarter far from the hustle and bustle. Eragon and Roran often practiced biting its pothole, but I don't know what the purpose is, but they often do it. Roran who is all enough to be rescued into the king army decided to leave the village before the soldier fixed him up. This was done because he did want to be a soldier. Will it turned out that what Eragon got the other day was not a stone but a dragon egg. Then when Eragon approached and tried to hold the dragon's head, suddenly he gave a sick to Brom Galbatorix and Arya when he woke up from sleep. Eragon found a shake on his end. After touching the dragon, he revealed that the baby dragon had not achieved nutrition. Eragon gave him milk, but it turned out that it was not what they wanted, so in the end had at most. Tom told the story of the legend of the dragon rider which at time the Levites were still faithful until now. Only a dragon rider named Galbatorix took power and killed the rider who wanted to kill him. Brom was shattered. A wrath of dragon rider would return like before the dragon Saphira could also communicate with her leader through that Eragon came to Brom's residence to ask more about the dragon rider that he had told him before, but unfortunately Brom did tell him anything, and instead he told Eragon to leave. After Eragon left, Brom was thinking out what sword that had cave and walk now what sword was outside. Eragon saw the butcher was threatened by Razak to kill the dragon owner Eragon. Knowing that Eragon immediately rushed home to warn his uncle before Razak arrived there. Eragon immediately rushed home to warn his uncle before Razak arrived there. Eragon introduced Brom to Saphira, and Brom was seen knowing a lot about dragon where a seated dragon reader will live if his dragon was killed, but if the reader died, the dragon will also die. Eragon will only has if the fled the presence of its rider. Even though he had to wait quite a long time to die, the airwave out the village of dirt and from her tie wall. Later head to the mountain, the Brom told Aragorn to go buy bread and drink and reminded him not to tell to any but Aragorn instead entered a fortune teller flash where he immediately offered Aragorn to be predicted. The fortune teller said the dragon had been awaited by many rakes and Aragorn. Wolfets agreed war as well as Aragorn had forward that did not know after the forward telling proc was complete it turned up Urgal and everyone was no longer three so tie had no coins but two fats to Urgal. Again, Arya comes into Aragorn's dream. It turns out that what Aragorn did earlier with magic instincts that was channeled by dragons to tie riders, but the side effects of the magic itself can drain energy of Fine even if the physical is not ready, then the spell can kill him. Therefore, Aragorn must improve his physical and must learn the ancient language of the elves to use it. The spell then Bram teaches him first to Aragorn on of which or is if the dragon and its rider have united, then the spell is called Flaquest when the finale finds Arya but instead tells Aragorn to leave immediately and suddenly Bram comes just in time to save Aragorn, so he has to suffer a very serious injury and Aragorn also managed to hurt Turgal, which immediately made Arya aware. Then when they were about to leave, they were blocked by soldiers, but luckily a mysterious man helped them and suggested to leave there immediately because of the step all now Rome is beautiful, and he also said that Turja only one manages to stab him right in the heart. Rome also told Aragorn to immediately commit the pardon because he could not be saved. Hearing that, Aragorn tried to save Rome using magic, but he wasn't strong enough to do it. Then Saphira suggested to Aragorn to let from differently as a dragon rider in the hideout of the fallen people led by a man named Agiad. To prove that Aragorn is a dragon rider, Agiad also told him to immediately kill his dragon, and it turned out that Agiad also knew that Murdoch was the son of a dragon rider who betrayed him, namely Morgan. Even so Murtad said that he did not follow in his father's footsteps, but still Agiad ordered the troops to detain Murtad outside Durja was in giving a short speech to his troops and was confident that they would win the fight. Aragorn also prepared with the armor that had been specially made by the Varden people for himself, as well as with the armor for Saphira before Durya's soldiers entered the place. All the troops prepared a trap to welcome their arrival when the time had come. All the troops prepared their positions, and Saphira was also able to emit fire from her mouth thanks to Urgal. Finally, Murtagh managed to escape from the so he quickly helped the fallen people with his fire breath. Saphira made the flash of fire and finesse of the soldiers. Galbatorix saw that Turja did not remain silent, where he also summoned his dragon so that the battle on the dragon could be avoided because Turja's dragon was just a magic, so
could not kill him, but he had to kill Durga first. But in the battle, Saphira got beaten by Durga's dragons that had invaded her a little. When Time Aragorn remembered Brahm's messengers, where if he wanted to kill Durga, he had to stab his sword right in Durga's heart because of the bait from Durga's dragon made Saphira giant arrogance. Instead, he failed to treat Saphira, but because the spell requires strong strength and physically, it immediately made it on kills. It turned out that Aragorn's efforts were not in vain, where he managed to use a spell that could endanger him in order to save Saphira, and Aragorn immediately followed. Arya was on her way to Emily's Mere, which was her place of origin after that person and managed to kill Durjano Aragorn's legends is now Traug Legacia as her sphere that could endanger him in order to save Saphira, and Aragorn immediately followed. Arya was on her way to Emily's Mere, which was her place of origin after that person and managed to kill Durjano Aragorn's legends is now Traug Legacia as her